Here are 5 ways you could start using glycolic acid in your skincare routine or in your body in general. Hello everybody, my name is Raisa and I talk about everything skincare, beauty, fashion. Follow me, like, comment below, and let's relate. The number 1 way to use glycolic acid is to use it as an exfoliator, which means you will get a cotton pad and you get your glycolic acid, you pour onto your pad and you just exfoliate your skin like this. And you will see, I don't know if you can see the dirt that comes out from my skin, but that's what you will do all over your skin. So you will get a cotton pad and you will squirt some on it and then you will scrub your skin. And this is going to eliminate all the dead skin from your skin, leaving you with a bright skin and a gloss skin. The second way is to use it as a toner, so it could go ahead and balance your skin pH balance. The third way is you could also use it as a spot treatment, so like how I have spots on my face, so I'll go ahead and apply a little bit on my finger and just dab specifically on those spots so it could get rid of those spots. The fourth way is back acne. So if you do have back acne, you could go ahead and put this on a pad and scrub it all over your back, and that would actually help eliminate a lot of the acne and the acne scars on your back. Fifth way is for your crusty, dusty elbows and knees. If you apply this product, you can use a cotton pad, you could use your hand, apply it there and scrub, and it's gonna smooth out those elbows, those knees. There you have it. Those are the 5 ways to use glycolic acid. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please comment down, follow us, like, share to anybody that you know this information will be helpful. And if you have some tips, comment down below with those tips so it could help somebody else in the comment section. And also, if you want me to share you more of my tips of how I use it in different other ways, let me know down below in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to do a video of the rest of them.